Hi guys, this is Gadget Gal 38. How are you? I hope y'all had a blessed and wonderful day. I did. Thank you for asking. Well, I got a package in the mail and it's from Overstock.com. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and unpackage it. I don't think I need my knife. Well, maybe I do. So let me get my knife. Here we go. I got a case. And it's a Mobo Walt Disney Winnie the Pooh. This is Tigger. It says accessories for iPod. Okay. That's how it looks on the front, and that is the back. And it comes with, wow, it says it looks like 2 lanyards. That's nice. Let's see if I can go ahead and open it. And both of got the orange one, and it says Tigger. Oh, Tigger. And the white one. That's cute. Look at Tigger. He's cute. TT. Hi, what do you say? Ta-ta for now. Mobo. That's cute. There it is. That's how it look on the back. And that's how it look on the front. It's got the little Tigger right there. And it says Tigger here. And of course, this is silicone. Let's take this out. You have your Wi-Fi opening there. I think it's for the, this is for the iPod first generation, guys. It's supposed to be for the second. So let me see if we can see if it's gonna fit. You know, it's rocking the candy shell right now. So, oh yeah, like it didn't want to come out. Okay, hold on. Let's see if it's gonna fit. How well it's gonna do. Well, that's how it looks. It's alright. Okay. As long as we don't, let me see if my Wi-Fi is on. Oh, it's going to interfere with my Wi-Fi. Oh, there it is. Okay. Pretty good. I like that. That's cute. Okay, well this was just an unboxing of the silicone case for the iPod Touch 2nd generation. Tigger by Mobo. And I did get this from Overstock.com for like, I think $14.83. Go to Overstock.com, guys. They got a lot of cases for the iPod Touch 2nd and 3rd generation and the iPhones, all of them. Okay, so this is Gadget Gal 38 signing out. You have a blessed and wonderful day. Toodles. Oh guys, don't forget about the giveaway. Tell people about the giveaway. Okay? Peace out.